good morning everybody. This is Thursday of the RV show, and unfortunately today I'm going to be doing a lot of filming on my own. Tom's still not feeling good, so he's back at the RV resting, but I'm coming back today to hit a few more things that we really wanted to see, follow up with some of the people that we spoke with yesterday. Make sure that we get some gaps in our footage filled. So still another full day here at the RV show. It is cold here. It got down to like 27 degrees last night with a wind chill of 15. Can you believe it? For Tampa, Florida. It is still cold. I'm wearing my gloves, I got my scarf, and trying to stay warm here, but it's not stopping the crowds. Everybody's still coming out, and it's already getting busy. I've tried to get into a couple of these RVs, and there's just so many people in them that unfortunately we're not going to be able to do as detailed a walkthrough videos as we typically do, but we'll at least be able to get in there and show you what it looks like, so that, you know, if you're looking at some of these rigs, you get an idea. Hopefully I'll give you a nice overview of what it looks like at least.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm with Truma. We're a German company that came over about 4.5 years ago, and we brought our Truma AquaGo, which is our on-demand hot water heater. It's a hybrid technology that combines a boiler, small tank, with the unlimited capabilities of an instant hot water heater. So we're excited to be here at the Tampa Supershow, and come see us at the booth, and you can also check us out at truma.net. More comfort on the move is our motto, and so come out and see us.
Hi, I'm Eric from RV1, and we're at the Basecamp display. Come check it out. So here you have Airstream's #1 selling travel trailer as of 2017. One of the great features about the Airstream Basecamp, you can see 5 people in the new U-shaped dinette, or you can just have a normal 4-person dinette. Also, the whole bed opens up, turns into a king-size bed. 76 by 76 inch bed. Also, you can bring in all your cargo. So if you want to bring kayaks, paddleboards, bikes, this is what it's meant for. You have 10 foot 6 inches from here to the back door. Everyone loves it. That's one of the great reasons why. You also get a wet bath. So you can do everything you need to do and easy to clean. Another great feature, Airstream is well known for all their windows. Everything is hand cut, and they give you the best view everywhere. Everywhere you go, you're going to have the best view.
You want to be on camera? There is a line to go see this Prevo. So I talked to the guy at Truma earlier about the hot water heater, and it's apparently like the hot new thing, 'cause I've been seeing these on a lot of rigs.
So I'm Brian Pitts with Newell Coach. We've been in business in Miami, Oklahoma for coming up on 51 years on Route 66. This is the 1638th coach we've built in that time, and it is a 2019 model built specifically for this show. The biggest thing about us is that drew me here was we build the chassis custom built for this machine. I can do things like this. Bunk beds, 2 baths, still have plenty of closets, still have a king-size bed, still have plenty of galley, because we can just shift things around as they need to be done. You're not locked into a pre-built transit bus chassis that you have to make your program work with. We can build the whole thing to do what it's supposed to do. Several other examples. These buses can tow 25,000 pounds. Nothing else can do that. It's custom built to pull the big stacker trailers. We have 4-wheel active steering. We have 63,000 pounds of carrying capacity. None of those items are available off the shelf, you know, from an off-the-shelf chassis manufacturer like Prevost or Spartan or someone like that. Rather than trying to bend the will of a chassis that was maybe built to haul a fire truck or built to haul passengers over the highway, this one was always built from the beginning for 51 years to do this. And what you see around you is that, you know, the tall ceilings and the 14-foot wide rooms with flat floors and all of that is that evolution coming together with a purpose-built chassis.
Surgical stainless steel needle on the inside. It's never going to rust. Surrounded by a guide. Can't stab yourself or anybody else. Push it down in the center and you're just pumping air. No batteries, no canisters. You're going to hear that pop. Now to get it off, you're just going to grab it by the ring and the wings, give it a pinch. Comes right off. And then in the rare instance at the end of the night after your third bottle you have leftover wine, pop this in. When the cap is up, you're going to pump. You want to pump it. You're sucking the air back out of the bottle. So the sets are 40, lifetime warranty, show special, 3 sets for 100. They make great gifts. You're welcome.
I'm simply going to put water in there today.
Hi, I'm Josh with Upriver RV Resort. We're located in Fort Myers, Florida. And come by our booth today, see us, and we're having a good show. Everybody's having a good time. We have 100-foot long pull-through sites that we can accommodate very large rigs. Easy in, easy out. We're just off I-75, so come see us and spend a week with us.
Hi, my name is Frank. I am from RV Armor. Our product is a roof coating system that goes over your existing RV roof. It custom fits a new roof into place. We apply it with a liquid form. Here's a good example of it for you with a base coat and a finish coat. It comes in liquid form, as I said a few seconds ago. We service nationwide, so in the lower 48 states, we come to you. And the reason why we're the best on the market, I believe, is because our product is very flexible, and because you live in an RV or travel in an RV, it's basically a rolling earthquake, and you need something that's going to flex with you as you go. The best part of our material, is that it is guaranteed for life not to leak, and it also comes with a material and labor warranty. It's also transferable, and if you have any questions, come and see us.
What we do is a sprayed RV roof called Flex Armor. It's this thick but stays that flexible. It removes all the seams on an RV roof, so you have no more caulking, and it comes with a lifetime no leak guarantee. We strip everything off your roof, all your caulking, roll-on coatings, remove things like ACs and satellite dishes, spray the new roof, and then put everything back together. We've been in business since 2005, and we have 10 authorized locations across the country right now and growing. Go to rvroof.com, and there's video pictures and all the contact information.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, we're RV windshield covers in Florida. We are a mobile business. We come to you. We make windshield covers, we make sunshades, we make mirror covers, wiper covers. You name it, we've been out here for 22 years. Give us a call. You can find us at 863-660-9225 or www.rvwindshieldcovers.com.
Hi, I'm Linda from South Haven Sunnybrook RV Resort. We are a 1010 resort that is located in southwest Michigan. Our resort's 3 miles from the lake and the town. It's a quaint little town. We wish that you would come and visit us and see what we are all about.
Good morning, my name is Bill Hallison. I'm here representing Dexter Axle. I have a website called stopyourtrailer.com. We carry disc brake upgrades for all towables, primarily fifth wheel trailers and horse trailers, toy haulers. But what it is a direct replacement for the electric brakes. It bolts up in place of the electric brake. You have an electric over hydraulic actuator. that's controlled by the brake controller in your truck, so you have 100% control from the cab of the brakes on the trailer. Average cost is under $1,600 delivered, and it'll literally cut your stopping distance in half. This is a test that the CSA did. It shows the difference in performance between electric over hydraulic and the drum brakes. Drum brakes are very old technology, 1930s, 1940s technology, and hasn't changed much since then. A lot of failure points, springs, magnets go bad. If you would like more information, please visit stopyourtrailer.com.
All right, out of the Supplier Building and onto a fifth wheel company. This is a couple of models of fifth wheel that we've been really excited to check out. It's called Luxe by the RV Factory. And I'm gonna pop in a couple of these. They have 3 here to show.
All right, Steven Zonker here with the RV Factory, here at the Tampa show in beautiful Tampa, Florida. We're here with our Luxe Elites and our Luxe Gold, showcasing both models that we have. What we do here at the RV Factory is we are factory direct. What that means is that we have completely cut out the middleman. We have cut out the dealers from the picture. And what that means to you as the consumer is, A, it is a very personalized experience for you. This is a one-on-one experience. These are your units through and through, from order, through building, through finishing. It's yours 100% of the way. We do not mass produce anything to try and fill up a dealer's lot, to try and get them across the country. We build to order. What this means also to you is that we are going to be a little bit more of a higher quality than most of the fifth wheels on the market, and the reason being is we specialize in a full-time build. Okay, 90% of our customers live in these 100% of the year. It is a hung wall, very home-like construction. We use all real wood cabinetry. We use all real wood floor decking, roof decking, hand-laid tiles, backsplash. So very home-like construction.
So that was super cool. Crazy busy, as you saw. So we're gonna try to go into one more before we head back for lunch. So here we go.